everyone. Today we're going to go over purchasing in Optimum Control. Entering your purchases into Optimum Control is one of the most important functions of the software. It will override your purchase price of item case sizes, update your quantity on hand, and adjust your recipe costs. Let's start with an invoice we're going to enter manually for a national produce supplier. As you can see here, this is an invoice that I've already started and we're going to finish filling out together. You can see that I've already entered the supplier, invoice date, invoice number, and invoice total in the top left. Below that information to the right, you can see a list of all of the items that are available in the system offered by that supplier. The nice thing about this is that we have all of the possible case sizes displayed right here in one spot. The search field above this will let you search for names or order codes so you can quickly find what you've purchased. You can double click on the left or drag and drop the items to the right side of the window to add them to the invoice. Once you enter the items, you can adjust the unit cost to update all of your recipes to reflect the current prices. For this scenario, we'll be adding celery, carrots, and cauliflower to our invoice that we've already started. The cauliflower was a split case because we only ordered 3 pounds instead of an entire case, so we'll select split case to break this up. This feature is great as it will limit items from being split that your supplier will not allow. The celery also went up in price, so we will override this right here in the window as well. Another feature this window has is the expense tab that will allow you to code things like delivery charges or deposits. You can also purchase items that are not going to be inventoried like stationery or office supplies. If you enter all of your expenses in this window, Optimum Control can generate a detailed P&L report. Because this is a national supplier, we will have to enter a delivery charge this time. For any taxes, you can select the Taxes and Adjustment tab. Here you'll be able to detail any taxes that apply to your purchase. Because this time around we are purchasing paper products, we will enter taxes for these. Optimum Control can take each invoice and code them to the proper general ledger accounts. You'll be able to see how your invoice was coded by selecting the Account Balance tab. This information can be exported in a file that can be simply imported into your accounting system to save you from doing double entry. Now that we've filled out the completed invoice, we will click Save. The pop-up that you first see is showing us all the items that went up or down in cost and how much they deviated from the last time we purchased them. This is a great way for users to catch anything that jumps up or down in price out of nowhere. This can also be displayed as a report afterwards called the Price Variance Report. This is perfect for operators to review all the price changes that happen in one spot, especially if they're not the ones entering the invoices. Regardless to how you enter the invoice, Optimum Control uses the prices you entered to change your costs on all your existing recipes. This gives you the benefit of seeing the current cost of goods on anything you are selling currently. A great report that will give you these numbers is the Menu Product Detail Problems Report. This report allows you to enter your goal cost percentage and will show you everything above this. For example, if we run this at 30%, you can see all these recipes that need to be reviewed, as they are running over that goal. Always knowing your cost of goods allows you to make better decisions. Now this invoice took us roughly 20 minutes to completely fill out. However, we have an interface to all these suppliers that can generate EDI 810 invoices that can be imported into Optimum Control rather than manually entered. A 5-page invoice could take you as little as 5 minutes to import. Afterwards, you still get a report of all the price changes that occurred. This is a great way to save even more labor using Optimum Control. The numbers provided by Optimum Control are used for valuable decision making in your operation. Entering purchases ensures that these numbers are accurate and detailed. From importing to manually entering purchases, Optimum Control makes that process simple and easy. If you want to learn more about Optimum Control, please give us a call at 1-888-798-5555 or visit us at trackrite.net.